Alright guys, so we have 2014 GMC SIERRA Denali 1500. We're going to be removing side steps over there. So guys, again, this is all you're going to need, or a ratchet wrench, hand tools, 13 mil, long one, and a stubby, maybe an extension. Here's a look from underneath the truck where the brackets go. Just behind your rocker, you got your one 13 mil. Then as you can see the other one sticking up through the rocker. That's your other 13 right there. So there's 4 on the bottom, 4 up there, just like that. Do that times 4. Right down the line, as you can see. Okay. Well, I forgot to press play on the last clip, but it's pretty self-explanatory. 8 bolts, 13 millimeter. Pop them all out, wedge your foot underneath it. The thing will drop right down. Super simple. So yeah, it's 2014 and probably to present GMC SIERRA, Chevy Silverado side step takeoff.